Analysis of top altcoins Solana, Dogecoin, Kaspa, and Chiliz price movements. Sol, Doge, Kaspa, and CHZ are running on different tracks but are among the altcoins with the highest number of investors. While Solcoin and CHZ have managed to positively diverge from the market for a while, Doge has not been able to do so. On the other hand, since BTC seems willing to consolidate above $50,000, it is possible to see more movement in altcoins overall. So, what dollar targets will they aim for in the event of a potential rise or fall wave? Crypto Mash fam, buckle up. Is this news hot enough to melt Satoshi's ice statue? Smash that like button before it disappears faster than a rug pull. Want to spread crypto knowledge like wildfire? Hit subscribe and ring the bell for instant alerts on the hottest updates. Don't miss my exclusive analysis and expert predictions that'll have you yelling "HODL tight." Together, we're building a crypto community stronger and smarter than a cyborg cypherpunk. Let's dive deep into the latest news and make some serious waves. Stay tuned for mind-blowing projections that'll shape the future of crypto. You won't regret it. Now, let's continue with the latest news and insights from the exciting world of crypto. Solana, SOL, chart analysis. According to DeFi Llama data, the total locked value in the Solana network is at the level of $1.93 billion. The ongoing rise of Solcoin for months has significantly increased activities on the network. Thus the TVL, which had dropped to the level of $210 million, has almost increased by 9 times. Solana, SOL, which has come back from the brink of death, faced a tough test after the FTX collapse that shook the markets in 2022. It was among the so-called SAM coins and was at the forefront of the ecosystem supported by SBF. Turning back to the price, we see rejections from the key level we previously highlighted. The price has now turned the rising support trend line coming from December into resistance. If it wants to return to the days of rapid rallies with ETF excitement, bulls will need to reclaim the $117 to $119 range and make daily closes above it. In an optimistic scenario after this move, it could reach levels of $144 and $176. For the long-term downtrend to end and to target the ATH level, the conversion of $144 into support is of key importance. Doge chart analysis. The outlook for Dogecoin, DOGE, has not changed since the last update. We had said that miner sales could weaken as they now reach the bottom reserves. However, the Doge price has not been able to surpass $0.0877 despite numerous attempts. After breaking below the parallel channel support on January 3, the price failed to close above resistance in 5 attempts. Support levels are found at $0.082 and $0.077. Chiliz CHZ coin price prediction. The key areas we previously mentioned are still relevant, and as long as the price stays above $0.111, there is potential to overcome the 12 cents barrier and continue moving to 14 cents. CHZ coin price convinced investors that the recovery had clearly started after the movement initiated last January, following a period of decline. Now, albeit belatedly, we should see the continuation of the increase in CHZ coin price. Kaspa, KS, price analysis. This indicator reveals Kaspa Bull's next price target after the previous ATH becomes support. The price of Kaspa, KS, has been on a tear recently, breaking through its previous all-time high of $0.154. This former resistance level is now turning into support, which could propel cost to new heights. This support level is evident based on the Fibonacci retracement levels from the recent high of 16 cents. So far, cost has held the 1.0 fib line at $0.154 on retest. Next target using fib levels, with the previous top now flipped into a support zone. 1.618 fib extension provides a price target of $0.203 for cost bulls. This means Kaspa could see a rally of over 25% from current levels if bullish momentum accelerates. So while cost is seeing a cool down from its recent highs, its technical positioning remains distinctly bullish. With key support holding from former resistance, Kaspa seems poised to make a run toward 20 cents and potentially set new all-time highs if positive sentiment continues. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only, and should not be construed as financial advice. The cryptocurrency market is subject to significant fluctuations and carries inherent risks. Investing in cryptocurrency is entirely at your own risk, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. By watching this video, you acknowledge and agree that Crypto Mash and its creators are not liable for any investment decisions you make based on the information provided. It is essential to conduct your own thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching Crypto Mash.